Welcome to Autodesk AutoCAD 2021 new course. In this course, we will discuss a lot of things. What are the new features? For example, this is the user interface of Autodesk AutoCAD 2021. Here is the create button where you will see how you can start, open files, open a new sheet, get more templates online, explore sample drawings, etc. So here are the recent documents. Okay, you can see in the picture form, in the small icon form, and here in the list form. And here is the notification panel where you will see recent notification from Autodesk. Here are the notifications. Here is the your account connected to the Autodesk. So here is your uh, email ID or name with which account you are connected to the Autodesk. Okay, so here is the user interface. For example, here when you click on the A of AutoCAD, then this menu will appear. So here basically two types of menus. Here there is recent documents and here is the open documents. Okay, uh, in this drawing you can see I have not opened any drawing. For example, here I have opened example 2. So when I will go in the open documents, you will see all the open documents here. Okay, more you can see in the large icons in the small images form or large images form. Okay, so here small icon. Here is the all recent documents open in the AutoCAD. Here is a new tab. Okay, you can open drawing sheets, etc. Open existing drawings, save. Similarly, these options are also present on the top of the AutoCAD menu bar. Here is a new open, save, save as, save as. Okay, so you can also save the drawing, save on the mobile. Okay, save on the web and mobile. Okay, for going printing, plotting, all these types of functions. Here is a undo, redo functions, means you can undo the work done you have done. You have to make some change, you have to make some changes. So all things you can do here. So here is a import document in PDF, drawings or other formats into the AutoCAD, export, publish and print. Definitely we will discuss in the coming lectures. Here is a plot, drawing utilities, etc. Okay, so you can also close the current drawing or all drawings. Okay, or you can also exit Autodesk AutoCAD 2021. Okay, so here is a menu bar. Okay, home, insert, annotate, parametric, view, manage, output, add-ins, collaborate, express tools, featured apps. Here is I have added a add-in that is auto rebar. So I will also discuss how I have added auto rebar. So I will discuss all these things in this lecture. So welcome to this course, and we will build a connection for discussing the new things, the AutoCAD, how can you who manage things or make things or make plans depending upon the client's requirements, your requirements. So that's all for the first lecture. Have a nice day.